Alright, we got anything you need here. We got snakes, we got sliders, sparklers, we got that shit that burns your eyebrows off. Woo! Where'd he go? Some stuff. Oh, there's two of these. They're stuck together. I think I should hold these. Is he gonna shoot at me? Wait. Oh! Ooh, dude, we're doing the pooping dog. Oh yeah. Now my question is, do I like set it up like it's pooping? Like what do I do? This one's gonna knock your socks off. Dude, it's actually pooping. Oh, I was lighting the wrong end. I think I was right. Oh! See, I told you. I'm really thinking we gotta do the hen laying eggs. I think this one's a must. There's two! Yes! You're making him kiss. Wait, the bag! Oh! Ah, some burned me. So I should hold it longer, is what I'm learning. This one looks like a one-wish willow. This one looks like I'm gonna light it and I'm gonna get cursed. Right here we have the Hollywood smokes for a Hollywood guy. This one's for the Oscar. It's not quite what I thought it would be. Ooh. Do I smell like it now? Like sulfur?
Oh shoot.
You're gonna like this one.
Wow.
I might be blind. The council has gathered.